Hello, we are going to take some time and watch a tutorial on how to add your routes from your paper maps to Google Earth. So the first thing I would like for you to do is you will notice in Schoology, there's a link called Lost Boys of Sudan KML for Google Earth. When you click on that, it should automatically upload for you into your downloads. And once you do that, if you take a look up here on my screen, we'll see that it opens up over there. So now we know we have it uploaded. The next step that you're going to do, you can always pause this tutorial to see the next step. So the next step is to go back to the main page in Schoology and you will find a link to Google Earth. Go ahead and click on that and Google Earth will come up for you. If you get this error, you just go over here to the arrow inside the box to make it its own tab. And you should be logged in with your school Gmail account. And when this opens up in a moment here, you're going to see some options. I want you to go over to where it says File. You'll click on that and you're going to import that KML file that you just uploaded. So go ahead and click on that. It will give you some options here. Download either the latest one or the file that's for the Lost Boys. And then you will see that if it comes down here to your local KML files, you can see it available for you. Once you have that downloaded, you can click on this arrow that will bring you to a drop-down menu, and you will see that there are some points that have put on here and what's called polygons. These are different data layers on this map. You are going to be able to edit this map using the Add Path or Polygon tool in order to put your routes in. So to put the first route, you can click and drag, even zoom in if you want. You will see that the refugee camp in Ethiopia has been placed for you. So go ahead and draw in the routes from your paper map. So I click on this. Let's say we're going to start over here. I will click once, and then I will drag it and double click over here to the refugee camp in Ethiopia. Again, I can go up here, click on draw, double or single click, double click to the point. And I can keep doing that. If I go single click, make sure we're up here. Once you get that line in, go ahead and click Save to Project. And you could just put Lost Boys 1 or 2 or whatever number you're on and enter. And then go back to the polygon and you can draw in your next route. Again, double clicking to end it over here. We're going to exit out of that, save each of these to the project. You don't have to title it every time if you don't want to. But draw in at least 3 route lines that you have on your map to this camp in Ethiopia and then click Done, save to project. So we have our first sets of routes. We can come back and zoom out. So your next one is probably going to be from Ethiopia to the Kakuma refugee camp here in Kenya. Take time right now to do all of the routes. In order to see all the different places, you can simply zoom out because you'll have some from down here in Kenya up to, you'll need to find country. And then again from the country, spinning the globe over to New York City, and then New York City out to each of these paths or that they've took. Remember to click save after each line that you make. Now that you have all of your routes, we're going to go do some data analysis with the different layers that are on your map. If you go over here to the big cat range, click on this eye, and you will notice that when you do that, some purple shows up. This is called a data layer, and if you zoom out, you will see this is showing what's called the big cat range, like leopards and lions. If we zoom back in, you can see that their routes from their ancestral homelands went through Big Cat Range. What you're going to do is click on Big Cat Range and you will see a menu pop up. Big Cat Range. Again, I went over here, double clicked on it, and got the Big Cat Range. And here's your question. What challenges did the Lost Boys face on this Big Cat Range layer? Answer here. In order to answer, you need to click Edit and type in the Lost Boys and then put in your answer to that. When you're done, you can click Close and then close that layer again and open up the next layer. And you'll see this is the drought layer. You will see their routes in there. Do this for the 3 layers here: Big Cat, Drought, and Undernourished. When you are done, you can pause this tutorial, come back for the last set of directions. After you have finished your analysis of those different layers, you're going to come up here to File, and you're going to export as KML file. When you export it, again, it will come back up here into the browser. And what you need to do is copy that, paste it into the assignment in Schoology.